I just can't wait for the rain to stop and get anything done this year, or nothing's going to get done. I'm at a friend's house. One of the guys that drives where I drive, he's the guy I work on that purple truck that looks like mine. And he had a Bradford pear split and came down on his house last night in the storm that we had. And we got most of it down. He's got a big pile in the backyard already. But this one that's up here against the roof and against that dormer window, that we had about 3 more of those up there, and we were on a little piece of porch roof and got all that down, and now we're on the last leg of it. And once that's down, then I can leave because he can handle the rest of this by himself. But yeah, it's out here raining, and it's just the only way to get anything done anymore. We finally got some sunshine. A lot of water on my street. Now I'll show something I'm doing over here that is why I really need things to dry out for a while. I'm getting ready to bring a mobile home over here, and I got to set these forms for the concrete, and I really don't want to be working on my hands and knees in sloppy mud, but it just doesn't want to stop raining long enough for me to get anything done. I'm just not taking care of much of anything over here at my pond area this year because of the constant rain. This is all flooded right now. Fish are running over here thinking I'm going to feed them. I'm not going to feed them right now. There's an overflow pipe in the corner, far corner over there on the right side, that drains out into this farm over here in case of a major rain like what we've been having. But you see all this water, this farm here. This guy has not been able to plow anything. He plowed some way on the other end. He's not been able to do anything on this end at all. It's just standing water. It's been here ever since it started warming up in the spring. Here's the pipe that my pond drains. When it's too full, I got the other end of this pipe hidden under some rocks over there, and it drains out over here. But it's not able to drain anymore because it's full over here too. Yeah, I've just got a mess here. Too much rain. Going to take the drone up and get a picture of the layout of this mobile home runners from up above. I just want to make sure that it looks like it is centered over the property. Can't see the fence line too good with the trees in the way, but I think we're in pretty good shape here.